We continue our visit with the Saint-Vincent Cathedral, the spiritual heart of Saint-Malo and one of its most iconic landmarks. Rising above the walled city, this cathedral has stood for centuries as both a place of worship and a symbol of resilience. Originally founded in the 12th century, the building combines Romanesque solidity with Gothic elegance, reflecting the passage of time and the many transformations it has undergone. Like the city itself, the cathedral suffered great destruction during World War II, but it was carefully rebuilt, stone by stone, to once again shine as the pride of Saint-Malo. As you step inside, your eyes are immediately drawn to the magnificent stained glass windows. They not only illuminate the interior with soft colors, but they also tell stories of faith, history, and the deep connection between Saint-Malo and the sea. Many of these windows were restored after the war, serving as reminders of both tragedy and renewal. One of the cathedral's most remarkable treasures is the tomb of Jacques Cartier, the explorer who discovered Canada and forever linked Saint-Malo to the age of great voyages. His presence here turns the cathedral into more than a sacred place, it becomes a bridge between local history and the wider world. The tall spire, rebuilt in the 1970s, now dominates the skyline of the city. It can be seen from far out at sea, guiding visitors much like a lighthouse, and reminding us of the perseverance and spirit of the Malouins. Visiting Saint-Vincent Cathedral is not only an encounter with extraordinary architecture but also with the enduring soul of Saint-Malo, a city that has always risen again, proud and unbroken.